Buying a home is a process and not an event. Take the time to understand your needs and you will prevent yourself from falling into common buyer traps such as unclear title or even inaccurate surveys. The survey should clearly mark boundaries and the property should be free of tax liens, undisclosed owners or leases. A good solid pre-approval will give you greater freedom and security from hidden costs. Understanding all the costs involved will avoid any unpleasant surprises. Whether you are buying or selling a home, your realtor is there to guarantee your satisfaction with innovative marketing techniques and a team of professionals to lead you through the entire process. This way, you can be rest assured you'll get the most from your home buying experience. If you need more information on this topic or want to interview one of our certified agents to help you with your home buying process, please email, call, or text me directly. I wish you all the best in finding the home of your dreams.